everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hello, sweet peeps. Are we ready for fall? Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. I'm never on a Saturday. Never, ever. What happened, Bella? Well, let me explain. So my Monday's video got put over to Tuesday. And then I didn't want to put a video up on Wednesday, so I put it up on Thursday. And then I figured, okay, well, now you can't put up a video on Friday, so put it up on Saturday. So here we are. Happy Saturday. Hi, guys. How's it going? You ready? I'm so excited. Okay, that's it. I'm so excited. You saw the tour. If you haven't seen the tour of the house, I'll leave it linked down at the end of this video. But I am ready for fall. Oh my God. Okay. So I'm in Southwest Florida and it is hot. And when I mean hot, I mean hot. Okay? Like super hot. Let's be honest, it is crazy hot. People are probably gonna think that lady's nuts. She's doing fall already. Yes. I'm done. I need cool weather. I wanted to cool down and I was like so inspired. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera around. First of all, we're gonna jump right into this video because we are doing a DIY on a wreath today. I'm doing 2 identical wreaths, okay, for my front door. And when they are all said and done, I will show you the front door, but we're gonna work on one today. I've already pre-did the other one. And we're gonna do this together today because I wanna inspire you to go through your stash, because I didn't buy anything, not one thing, except for the ribbon, okay? Except for 2 of the ribbons, 2 of the 3 ribbons. Oh my God, I finally made a bow the way I wanted to make it. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. I'm gonna show you everything you need and then we'll get started. Okay, this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some neutral leaves, a few picks. I got this wheat pick in from my stash. These little picks, I don't know, they were cut apart. Some Dollar Tree picks, the darker ones with the faux feathers. This little pick from Hobby Lobby. Then, I'm not sure where these picks are from, this one here. And this one, I think they're Micheals from last year. You're gonna need some wire cutters, hot glue gun, some glue sticks, scissors, and a ribbon. And these are the 3 ribbons that I chose. I thought this one here was so good with the owl. It went so perfectly together. So that was my inspiration. Okay, let's make a bow. And let me tell you, I tried this bow dazzler. I'm not too impressed by it. Okay. The bow. Oh, the bow. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should totally follow me on Instagram, you will know that me and this bow and a bow dazzler, we're having an argument. I mean, I'm saying that lightly. I had a really hard time. I wanted to make really big, elaborate bows. I got the wrong bow maker. I'm gonna go get the easy bow maker. Everybody told me that that one is much better. Okay, bow's done. It's as good as it's gonna get for right now. The owl. This was my inspiration for these wreaths. I had 2 of these little owls. I got them on Micheals years ago, and I got them on super clearance. And I just thought, you know what? These are so cute. They're the right color. They're the right everything. And I wanted to make it look like the owl just flew in and perched itself on the wreath. So what I'm going to do is I'm using my green wire and I'm going to wrap it around the owl's feet and then attach it this way. Now, when you see these wreaths finished, just so you have an idea of why I'm doing it this way, this owl sits forward, but the other owl kind of has its head tilted looking this way, like towards this one. So I figured I'll have that one on the left far door, and I'll have this one on the other door. Anyways, we'll see how it goes at the end when I show you when we're all done, because we are doing this together. Okay, how cute. How super cute. Okay, so I got my owl up, I got my ribbon up. These are my 2 jumping off points. I think the ribbon ties into the owl perfectly. And I wired him. Like I said, I wired him at his feet, and I've also wired him around his neck so he sits up like straight and he won't topple over with the wind or anything, because he is gonna go outside. These are gonna go on my front porch. Okay, now I have this bushel of leaves, and I used half of it on the one wreath and the other half on the other wreath. So what I'm doing is I'm just cutting with my wire cutters. Guys, these wire, okay, let me say something. These wire cutters, these ones here, from Micheals, these ones from Micheals are the best ones. You don't need other ones. Don't waste your money on other ones. Get them from Micheals. Yes, they are pricey. Try to use a coupon, but I'm telling you, they are the absolute best. They cut easily. They're safe, secure. I love them, and I highly recommend these. Highly, highly, highly recommend them. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build a base. So I'm kind of tucking leaves in here because I want to build a base, right? Cut this in half. And don't worry, I'll bring you in closer so you can see it in detail after. But I really want to build this base. And I like using these kind of wreaths because they offer such a good, like you could just tuck the stuff in and they're so good. Okay, so now that I've built my base, I just want to tuck this in here because I want my leaves to go up and down. Okay, I'm pretty sure these 2 picks are from Micheals. I'm gonna use this one on the top. I really love it. The neutrality, the berries, everything. So these are the best because they're wired. You can bend them in any shape or form that you want. And I'm bending mine to kind of follow the shape of the wreath, like that. So there you go. And I like the touches of green. We've got some pine cones. My Alexa is talking by herself. That was weird. Okay, and then I like flipping the leaves around just so I can get it the way I want it. And I love using faux florals for these reasons. Okay, so I got one down up there, and then this one with the 3 pumpkins, and I think they're neutral enough. And this is one color that I'm gonna introduce in a little bit. I'm gonna put this one on the bottom, and again, bend it, and then tuck it into your wreath form. There we go. There. So now you got that going. So I think it looks good so far. So far, so good. Let's keep going. Okay, this is what I love about Dollar Tree. And I'm not a big fan of Dollar Tree, but this right here, the dark one for $1, this is gonna look fantastic. Make sure you bend it the way you want it. And I wanted it because I want these feathers to be at the end and kind of cascading down with my owl. So I want you to have the idea of feathers. And guys, the Dollar Tree feathers work so good. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use this. I'm pretty sure it's from Target. I'm pretty sure. I'm not 100%, but I'm pretty sure. And because I only have 2 of them and I'm making 2 wreaths, I'm going to have to use what I have because I'm trying not to spend money. So I cut the middle piece out and I left this. So there you go. Now what I'm gonna do is bring this forward you kind of manipulate it and bring it forward so it sits up. I guess that's my explanation to it. Okay? And then I'm gonna cut this. But this little piece with the 3, I'm gonna put it down here because I want everything to coordinate, right? Okay. And again, guys, look how easy. Super, super easy. I'm telling you, Micheals, best wire cutter ever. Best wire cutter ever. So I just placed this in here for some little extra texture and color, but don't worry, we're gonna get to that in a minute. Okay, then you got this pick. And you need a little bit of white because, you know, you just wanna break it up and brighten it up. Kind of try and find the middle. That's all I can think of. Try and find the middle. And this is gonna be a lot trickier than I thought because, hold on. Aha, okay, I think I got it. I'm trying to equal it out and it's missing some pieces. So I kind of found its middle. Maybe not. Okay, done. No. Don't you love doing DIYs together? I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm silly and ridiculous and yeah. But I love this kind of stuff, guys. And I hope these videos of mine, you know, like I'm not a professional wreath maker and I'm not a professional florist or anything like that. I just love doing stuff like this and DIYs like this. And I just want to inspire you guys to go out and do and be creative and do things that you guys love also. Because that's the best part. And you know, we can share our love of decor with each other and share our creativity with each other is the best thing possible, I think. Okay, so I added one up there and now I'm gonna add one down here. And I could have glued these in, but they seem to be staying quite well, actually. So I'm pretty impressed. I'm just gonna leave them. I'm not using any hot glue. And I'm just kind of, you know, moving them around, making them look cute. Some are sitting on the little guy's feet. That's okay. Okay. Now, I'm going to use this. I don't know where this is from. I don't know what it is. It might be, actually, it might be from Dollar Tree now that I think about it. Yeah, it might be. Can you hear the thunder coming? The rain is coming. Okay, I have 5 pieces. So I'm gonna put 3 up on top just to bring some color in here. And I wanna put one here just for some color and interest. And one here. And sorry, I have my back to you, but that's the only way to kind of make this work. And then I'm gonna put 2 down here. And I'll tell you why I use this, and you're probably thinking to yourself, why would she use that color? Well, you see this leaf down here? It's got that orange bit, and I just wanted to bring in some orange in here, just for a bit of fall. That is it. Let's go hang them on the front door. Okay, sweet babes, what did you think? Good, right? I like doing DIYs like this. I like doing DIYs like this because it inspires me to go out of my comfort zone. And I hope this video inspired you also to go out of your comfort zone. I'm not a big, like, crafter, Like I don't craft very much. So I don't do like a lot of bows and stuff like that. I mean, I do, but I don't, if that makes any sense. Anyways, I do. I like making them, but I'm not very good at it. How about that? So I like to come out of my comfort zone with you guys also and maybe inspire you for you guys to go out there and come out of your comfort zone and do something that is not something that you always do. It's nice to get creative and do fun, creative stuff once in a while. It's nice to come out of our comfort zones, right? So it is Saturday. I hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend. I will be back on track on Monday. Oh, yes. Yes, back on track on Monday. I thank you so much for stopping by and spending a little time with me. Have a fantastic weekend. Go do something you love. Go make a wreath. You never know. Anyways, bye YouTube. Bye everybody. Have a fantastic weekend and I'll see you on Monday.